impossible not to be impressed by the depth of knowledge and experience that exists in this country. And I wonder, is it beyond belief that Ireland could become a go-to country in retrofit knowledge and experience, exporting these skills to the rest of Europe and beyond?
The main purpose of the ISOVER Energy Efficiency Awards is to recognise creative and innovation in the sector working towards energy efficiency, and also to reward these projects.
I'm very pleased to see how the awards have progressed, both in terms of the quantity of applications and, more importantly, I think, in terms of the overall quality of the entrants. And I commend you all for your work. It really was excellent.
Perhaps more of an emphasis on some really exceptional upgrade projects. We had some amazing new build projects too, of course, such as the Francis Clausen house, which won. But there were some signs that with our existing building stock, we're starting to get a few exemplars of buildings which are really going above and beyond and meeting the kind of standard of deep retrofit that we should be aspiring to.
The winning project sort of stood out and shone out way above the rest, and part of the reason that it won was it kind of managed just to merge achieving the passive house standard with an A1 rated BER standard. So that was a really fantastic achievement, and the quality of design and the challenges that the project faced in terms of planning permissions and so forth. So all the judges were unanimous with the winner, but the process was very challenging.
The one thing that stood out about the winning entry this year was that there was a very clear integrated approach. So, for example, the photovoltaic system, which uses solar energy to create electricity, was used in an air source heat pump, which very effectively takes solar energy out of the air as heat, and then was used in a very efficient low temperature underfloor heating system. Is absolutely perfect integrated set of technologies married together to achieve a fantastic result.
We've now brought these 17 projects through this judging piece, and now the winners from today will go forward now to the European Awards, which are actually going to take place in Dublin next year.
So the main benefit of today's event for me personally was to sort of inject a little bit of enthusiasm and positive energy, into a sector that's been pummeled over the last sort of 5 or 6 years, and now we're seeing sort of the best projects in Ireland, some of them going to represent Ireland internationally, and these people are not thinking about the past, they're thinking about the future. So that, for me, that was the most exciting part of today, is a sense of optimism. I think we've turned a corner in Ireland in terms of construction, design, performance and standards, so I think it's only up from here.